Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2013 Toyota Sienna L trim package. This is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van like most of our vehicles. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch here, lift. These clamps actually keep this ramp from rattling. It's a really nice design. It's got a handle on the driver's side, a handle on the passenger side. I'm going to take it down using just my index finger, using only 1 finger. Very easy to operate, very simple to do. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps. The ramp is 36 inches wide. It does taper down to about 34 between the where it sets down there. I got the spare tire, and 56 inches coming in, over 58 inside the van. 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the center, 2 all the way up front, so this van will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. Headliner looks good. Got the rear air controls over there in the corner. Between those seats there's about 26 inches of room, so a chair can slide up in between there. Very clean interior. The dash is in excellent condition. I don't see any cracks or any damage into the dash. Has dual climate control, rear air controls, plenty of cup holders in the doors. Lots of plugs for all your electronics and that good stuff. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look at there, 1 finger. That's all it takes. Clamp it back down, reverse the process. Shut the door, and you're ready to roll. So very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. Great for if you're transporting somebody or running the business. Alloy wheels. Tires have a lot of tread left on them. They're not brand new, but they still have a lot of tread left on them. Tinted windows. Very clean. It's hard to find a dent or scratch in this thing. I'm not saying it's perfect, but whoever's had it's taken well care of it. It's not all beat up, and that's exactly the kind of vehicles I look for. I do see a little mark where they touched up some paint there. A couple of small spots on the hood. Please remember, little door ding there. Please remember though, this van is 8 years old here before long, but still in very good shape. Someone's taking good care of it. These jump seats in the rear, they're vinyl, easy to clean if you get any spills back there or anything like that. Those rear seats are brand new. This is a brand new conversion. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or any unusual odors in the van. When I go to turn the van on, we've got 1 key. We can get additional keys made at your cost. We can get a fob made for this if it's available, if you want to do keyless entry. When I turn the van on, all the dummy lights light up, and they all go out. So there's no check engine lights on, no ABS, none of that. It's got a full tank of gas. Current miles, 78,758. Has the owner's manual in there as well. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, very clean, a 3.5 V6 Toyota engine. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. We checked along the fender rails, we checked along the radiator support, we looked down in the engine. I crawl underneath all of our vehicles. I want to make sure there's no signs of any frame damage. I want to make sure there's no signs of any water damage, and I want to make sure there's no visible leaks that I can see. So I do also have 3 mechanics that check out all of our vans. And no matter who you buy from, make sure they get you a video like this. That's the #1 mistake people make when buying a car. They assume things. They assume because it looked nice in the pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume because it's a good price. They assume it's going to be a good quality van. I don't care who you're buying from. If they're going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more, tell them to get off their behinds. Tell them to get out there and get you a picture of exactly what you're getting. A video, I'm sorry. If they won't get off their behinds and spend 30 minutes like I do making you a video, then what are they really trying to sell you, and what are you really buying? So people get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Let's get the van out of the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive, give it some acceleration so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you come in and drive this van home or you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, you know that we've made sure the van is roadworthy. Accelerate up to about 70 miles an hour. The steering wheel is nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. I've got the cruise control set. Cruise works great. The van tracks very nicely down the highway. No unusual rattles or anything like that. And I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. First thing you need to ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau like Affordable Mobility Solutions does? Next thing you need to ask yourself is check their ratings online. Look what people had to say about us on Google. Check the competition. See how many reviews we had and how many people said that we did a great job and treated them right. If you're dealing with a dealership that doesn't have many reviews, or they don't have solid positive reviews, there's a good chance you're going to find yourself in a bind with them. They're going to do you, not give you exactly what you expected. Do business with a dealership with a good reputation like us. We're out here making videos. I'm the owner of the company. It's almost 100 degrees today. I'm crawling around on the ground, underneath the van, on the hot pavement, because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I'm not doing this because I like to do it. I'm not doing it because it's fun. I'm doing it because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of this exit. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So is this van brand new? Of course not. Is it a very well taken care of van that should last for many years to come, as long as you take care of it, for whether it be your business or your family? I do believe so. And back to comparing us to the competition, like I mentioned, I'm the owner of the company. I am not a used car salesman. Our videos, our reputation, and our price, that's what's going to sell these vans. I'm not going to beg you to buy it. I'm not going to try and talk you into buying it. This video tells you everything I know about this van. So do business with the owner, not a used car salesman. A lot of those used car salesmen, they won't even be working there in the next month or two. They're going to be off to a new job. They don't care if you they don't care if you recommend that dealership. They don't care if you have a good reputation with that dealership. All they care about is that commission check. Do business with the owner, not a used car salesman. So if you'd ever like to come out and check out our inventory, please give me a call first. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS or 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. Or give me a text, 316-518-4377 if you're more of a text messenger. See our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do have financing available. As always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.